The angle of elevation of top of a tower at a distance 500 meters from its foot is 30 degrees. L is equal to 1 by root 3 times height. Now they want you to find theta, angle of elevation. Let theta be the angle of elevation. The angle of elevation of top of a chimney at a distance 100 meters from the foot is 30 degrees. We have drawn a kite like this. This is the ground level and this is 30 degrees and this is h and this is 500 meters. Welcome to the session, dear students. Today we'll go ahead with the problems of heights and distances. See, for any problem, first basic is tan angle. Tan angle, I told you in my last class, please memorize the trigonometric function tan theta and standard angles for tan theta: 0, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. All of you know tan 0 is 0, tan 30 is 1 by root 3, tan 45 is 1, tan 60 is root 3 and tan 90 is not defined. So these are the values of tangent of angles. So from this angles we need to substitute and get the values, and the very first basic thing is trigonometric function tan theta. If you take any right angle triangle, so this is opposite side to the angle, this is base, and you know tan means what? Opposite by base. So all other trigonometric functions are equally important. So why? Because depending on what is given, what is required, you have to solve. So if you want to solve any problem, first read the problem, convert the problem to what? Diagram. The angle of elevation of top of a tower at a distance 500 meters from its foot is 30 degrees. So find the height of the tower. Find the height of the tower. This is a question. So now, dear students, from a point, so they are talking about a tower. Height of the tower you need to find. Say, let us assume T be the top of the tower, F be the foot of the tower. From the foot of the tower, they are asking you to choose a point, P be the point, and from here they told angle of elevation. So angle of elevation of the top of the tower from a point is how much? Theta, that is 30 degrees they gave, and the point is at a distance of, from a distance of what? 500 meters. So this distance is 500 meters. This is given. So read the situation and convert it into diagram. So in the diagram, whatever we have assumed, let h be the height of the tower. Tf is equal to h be the height of the tower which we need to find. Height of the tower, and later fp is what? The distance p to f, 500 meters. Now you can see a right angle triangle. From right angle triangle, now we need this height. Height is opposite to the angle, we need opposite side, and they give adjacent. Opposite side and adjacent, or opposite side and base are related by what? Tan theta. So for this particular triangle, from triangle PTF, from triangle PTF, apply tan theta. What is tan theta? Tan theta is opposite side by adjacent. For theta, opposite side is TF. Adjacent or base, one and the same, that is PF. And theta value is exactly 30 degrees. So tan 30 degrees. And TF is h and PF is 500 meters. So you know tan 30 is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is equal to what? H by 500. Cross multiply. So we have 1 by root 3 is equal to what? H by 500. So if you cross multiply, 500 is equal to what? 500 by root 3 is equal to h. So you got height of the tower. What is the height of the tower? 500 by root 3 meters. Always it is better to rationalize, means denominator should not contain irrational value. So divide and multiply by what? Root 3, 500 meters divided by root 3, divide and multiply by root 3, root 3 by root 3 if you do. So you'll get 500 root 3 divided by 3. This is this many meters. 503, they are not divisible, so you can leave it. So they want you to find the height of the tower, that is h. You can leave it at 500 by root 3, but always denominator should not be irrational. So rationalize. Divide and multiply by what? Root 3 to write the standard answer. Further, what is the angle of elevation of the sun when the length of the shadow from a pole is 1 by root 3 times the height of the pole? Length of the shadow is 1 by root 3 times the height of the pole. So they gave length of the shadow. So let L be the length of the shadow is 1 by root 3 times height of the shadow. This is given. This is given, and they are asking you to find height of the pole. So H be the height of the pole. This is a question mark. So before starting any problem consideration, let H be what? Height of the pole. Let H be the height of the pole. So we'll assume a height of the pole. So then they give length of the shadow is 1 by root 3 times height. So now for this relevant diagram, so we'll take a pole. So PL be the pole, capital L, and LS be the length of shadow. So now this is 90 degrees and this is the angle. L be the length of the shadow and H be the height of the pole. L is the length of the shadow and L value is also given 1/3 H, and they want you to find angle of elevation. Theta be the angle of elevation. So let us assume theta be the angle of elevation, and from this again, so you know this value L, so we'll link L and H. So what we got a triangle. So this is the pole length and this LS is the length of the shadow, and we'll join this and we'll assume height of the pole is H, and we'll assume length of the shadow is L, and they gave L is equal to 1 by root 3 times height. Now they want you to find theta, angle of elevation. Let theta be the angle of elevation. Here we'll also assume let theta be the angle of elevation. So dear students, the very first thing is drawing a relevant diagram, which we have done it, assuming the unknown and suitable triangle, two suitable trigonometric function, sine, cos, tan. So which is suitable here? Because we know opposite side and base. So therefore relevant trigonometric function is tan theta here. For this situation, tan theta. What is tan theta? Opposite side divided by base. So opposite side means opposite to theta. Opposite to theta we have PL. So PL divided by base. What is the base? We have LS. L to S. Tan theta. We don't know the value of theta, but PL is what? Height of the pole H, and LS is what? 1 by root 3 times H. So they are told length of the shadow is 1 by root 3 times H. H cancels. So H. LS is what? L. So here this is H by L. L means what? Length of shadow. Length of shadow is 1 by root 3 times height of the pole is given in the problem. So therefore, I can cancel H and H. Have 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 becomes root 3. So you got tan theta is equal to what? Root 3. So we got tan theta is equal to root 3. You know angle table. In tan table, where you will get root 3? Tan 60 degrees is what? Root 3. Therefore, theta has to be what? 60 degrees. 60 degrees can also be written as pi by 3, 180 by 3. 60 degrees, or you can say pi by 3. So here in this, they want you to find theta. What is theta? Tan theta you got root 3. In tan table, where you will get root 3? Tan 60 is root 3. So theta has to be 60 degrees. 60 means what? Pi by 3. 180 by 3 is what? 60. Going ahead. The angle of elevation of a top of a chimney at a distance 100 meters from its foot is 30 degrees. Find its height. So they told at a distance. So let us draw a diagram at a distance. So I'll choose a point P, and that point P I'll assume it is at a distance of 100 meters from the foot of the chimney. So this is the foot of the chimney. So and they gave from P to F, that is 100 meters, from a point which is 100 meters from the what? From the foot of a chimney. This is foot of a chimney. So now we'll draw height of chimney. PF be the chimney. So now the angle of elevation of top of a chimney at a distance 100 meters from the foot is 30 degrees. So angle of elevation from here to here, if you draw, this is theta. Theta is 30 degrees. This is what is given. Okay, now you can see right angle triangle. They want you to find height of the chimney. Let h be the height of the chimney. So in the diagram, what we have assumed, let CF is equal to h be the height of the chimney. Be the height of what? Chimney. This is our assumption. So be the height of what? Chimney. This is what they want. And P be a point at a distance of P be a point at a distance, how much? 100 meters from the foot. So now you can see a right angle triangle. From this right angle triangle, here what we got? We got a triangle which is a right angle triangle like this, and here we have 30 degrees as theta, and the CF we assumed h, and P we assumed what? 100 meters is given. So from this, take from the triangle, what is a triangle? CPF. Again we can apply what? Tan theta. If you apply tan theta, what is tan theta? Opposite side divided by base, or opposite side divided by adjacent. What is meant by opposite side? Opposite to the theta. So theta is what? 30 degrees. Tan 30 degrees is equal to, opposite to 30 we have CF, and base we have PF. So tan 30, all of you know, tan 30 is exactly 1 by root 3, and CF, that is C to F, is the height of the chimney, and this is 100. So cross multiply, you'll get h is equal to what? 100 divided by root 3. Transfer 100 to this side. So you got h is equal to height of the chimney, that is 100 by root 3 meters. Because now h is equal to, you can rationalize, root 3 divided and multiply by what? Root 3. You can do it. So it will become 100 by 3 root 3 meters. You can leave it here also. So they wanted you to find the height of the chimney, which we got. So for every problem, read the problem, write what is given. So in one of the problem they want height, in one of the problem they want angle of elevation. So now we'll see the next question. From a post head 40 meters high, the angle of depression of a boat is observed to be 45 degrees. Find the distance of the ship. Find the distance of the ship. There is a post head. This is a post head. Okay. This is a ground level or sea level, and there is a ship here. And angle of depression means from here, if you observe this, so depression, angle of depression means what? So I'll draw horizontal. This is theta. This theta, angle of depression, how much they give? 45 degrees. If this is 45 degrees, dear students, if this is 45 degrees, alternate angles, these two are parallel, so this should be 45 degrees, 45. Now, distance of the ship, let x be the distance of the ship from the sea, from in the sea. And this is the HG in my diagram is the post. And the post height is, they told from a height of what? 40 meters. So now, first we'll assume, so let S be the ship, at a distance x. So now HG is equal to 40 meters is the post. Now you can see one right angle triangle. So now our task is to find x. So I'll just convert this diagram. First I'll take only what is angle of depression, means when you see any object below the ground level. So below the ground level, if you see, if you are standing here, from here if you see the ship, this is angle of depression, and these two are parallel lines, they are alternate. So if this is 45, this is also 45, but just to simplify, we'll take the ship is here, and angle of depression, this is 45 degrees, because here we have 45 degrees, this we are not bothered, and here this is x, and we took this as hg, and this we took 40. So now we'll take the triangle. From the triangle, what is the triangle we have? HGS. So apply what? Again, see, we know opposite and we need adjacent. Opposite and base, or opposite and adjacent means the trigonometric function suitable is what? Tan theta. So what is tan theta? Tan theta, all of you know, opposite side divided by base. Opposite by base. So what is opposite here? Opposite to angle is HG. And what is base here? The base here is GS. So now tan theta they gave tan 45 degrees. So tan 45 is 1, HG that is 40 meters, and GS that is x. Rearrange it. So x into 1 becomes x. X is equal to what? 40. So therefore ship is at a distance of 40 meters. That's it. Got x value. What is x we assume? Distance of the ship, and we got it. But again, I'm repeating, if you want to solve any problem, the basic is what? Diagram. If you can draw a diagram, you can solve it. Then find the angle of elevation of sun when the shadow of a tower is 75 meter high is 25 root 3 meters long. Very interesting. So now first we'll assume the tower. Let TF be the tower. And they told the height of the tower. So T to F is the height of the tower. That height is also given 75 meters in the problem. And also the shadow starts from the foot. So Fs be the shadow, and also they give description for shadow. So shadow is how long? 25 root 3. So F to S is 25 times root 3. So now going ahead, so let me draw the diagram. So we have a tower, that is TF, and we have shadow, that is Fs, and this is the angle of elevation of the sun, theta. This is 75 they told, this is 25 root 3 they told. They want theta. Again, the suitable trigonometric function. What is the suitable trigonometric function? Again, apply what? Tan, because we know opposite and base. So now with this, the diagram we got, where this is the tower T to F, and the height of the tower they told 75 meters, and they also mentioned there is a, what is it? This is the top of the tower, and the shadow Fs 25 times root 3, and they wanted to find the angle of elevation. So from triangle TFS, apply tan theta. Tan theta is equal to TF, opposite side, divided by adjacent, that is Fs. So tan theta, we don't know the value of theta, but TF we know 75 divided by 25 times root 3. So 25 ones are 25, 25 threes are. So now answer is 3 by root 3. 3 by root 3, rationalize this. If you rationalize, tan theta is equal to 3 by root 3. So denominator simplify and convert the irrational term. Divide and multiply by root 3. So numerator becomes 3 root 3 and denominator becomes 3. Root 3 into root 3. What is root 3 into root 3? Root 3 the whole square. So that is 3. So now 3 ones are 3, cancel. So tan theta is equal to root 3. In tan table, where you will get root 3? You will get tan theta as root 3 when theta is what? 60 degrees. So you got the answer as what? 60 degrees. So therefore, they want you to find what? Find the angle of elevation. So therefore, angle of elevation is theta is equal to 60 degrees, or we can also say pi by 3. Pi by 3 radians is 60 degrees. Okay, let me start with question number 6. A kite flying at a height h is tied to a thread 500 meters. So the thread length is 500 meters. Assuming that there is no link in the thread and it makes an angle of 30 degrees with the ground, find the height of the kite. So first let us draw a relevant diagram. So let me draw a diagram. So I am drawing a kite. Kite is at a height of h from the ground level. So now there is a thread connected to this, and this tk is the thread, and length of the thread 500 meters. And they told you should not assume any curve, so it is straight. And the angle of elevation, this is theta. Theta is also given 30 degrees. Now they are expecting you to find this. See, till now we used to use tan. So from this diagram, you know hypotenuse, you want opposite. Opposite and hypotenuse are linked by what? Sin theta. What is the definition of sin theta? Sin theta means what? Ratio of opposite side to the hypotenuse. So therefore, so in the diagram, what is kg? K be the kite, at a height of h meters, which we need to find. And they told in this tk is thread of length tk value is what? 500 meters they give. See, till now we used to use tan, but in this, depending on the diagram, you can convert. So when you see the diagram we have drawn a kite like this, and this is the ground level, and this is 30 degrees, and this is h, and this is 500 meters, and we told this is k, and this is ground level, and this is the point where thread. So now from this, apply what? Sin theta. From the triangle, what is the triangle we have? TGK. Apply what? Sin theta. What is sin theta? Sin means what? Opposite side divided by base. Sin theta is 30 degrees. Sin 30 degrees is opposite to 30 is kg by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse. Sin is what? Opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite side by what? Hypotenuse. So opposite side to theta is h, by hypotenuse is tk. So sin 30 is equal to kg, that is height we don't know, hypotenuse we know 500. Simplify this, you know tg, sin 30 is 1 by 2, h by 500, we need h, transfer 500 to this side, 500 divided by 2 is equal to what? H. So simplify this, h is 500 divided by 2, so 2 ones are 2, 20, 250, so h is equal to what? 250. So you got the height of the kite. Therefore, height of the kite is exactly 250 meters from the ground. So I hope all of you understood this. Every problem is simple. First draw the diagram, analyze and do it. I'll see you in my next session. Thanks for attending. Thank you.